Welcome to the future of industry support and safety, CNS Companies. CNS Companies is not just another company. We're a dynamic, multifaceted organization dedicated to revolutionizing the transportation, construction, and manufacturing sectors. Our flagship division, Compliance Navigation Specialists, leads the charge in providing cutting-edge compliance and safety solutions to trucking companies and transportation industries all across North America. Paired seamlessly with CNS Insurance, our commercial trucking insurance agency writing in over 28 states, we offer unparalleled risk management solutions, ensuring that your business is protected every step of the way. At CNS Occupational Medicine, our dedicated team of healthcare professionals provides a range of services, from drug and alcohol testing to FAA and DOT physicals, keeping your workforce healthy and compliant. Our clinics include locations in Delaware and Pennsylvania, as well as on-site services provided all along the East Coast, from Florida to Maine. Looking to kickstart your career on the road? Look no further than CNS Driver Training Center, where aspiring drivers learn from the best in the industry. And when it comes to licensing solutions, CNS Licensing has you covered, providing seamless truck and auto licensing services nationwide. At CNS Companies, our mission is clear: to make the roads and workplaces safer for everyone. Join us as we pave the way to a brighter, safer future.